Alright guys, we're back from snowboarding. Great time, but now it's time to get back to work.
How you feeling right now, John?
Anxious. It worked. Ready? What? Oh, you want me to try it?
Yeah.
Let's try it again.
So idle super high right now? Just your intake. Throttle. John!
Second. Third.
How's it feel, bro?
Good.
We're driving your Miata.
You drive this to work every day.
No hard pulls. John, tell YouTube what we just did.
Went to the gas station. Put about a quarter-mile in the car. Still smells like it's burning down.
Dirt portal. John's over here looking like he's about to go skiing. And I'm over here in a tiny little sweater. It's 20 degrees out. John, how do you feel right now?
Excited. What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm in here in my garage. So I made it all the way across town in the Miata without it breaking down. It sounds good, works good. Just a little vacuum leak, which I fixed yesterday. So there's no weird rattles or weird smells going on. There's no leaks. I checked just today, so we're all good there. There was an issue with the temp sensor here. It wasn't turning the fans on when it got hot. So I went ahead and replaced that. Hopefully that fixed it. And you can see I'm sitting on the front here, which means I still don't have a bumper because the other one had a massive dent in it, got rid of that. So I'm putting on a new bumper, aftermarket. Looks nice. I think you'll like it when you see it on there. And you can see on the front I got some new headlights on here, LEDs with the halo. About the cheapest ones you can find on Amazon, so hopefully they don't let me down. And they should look a lot better than the stock ones, really light up the roadway. I accidentally recycled one of the lines from the evaporator to the dryer here. So I'll have to buy a new line, which isn't sold anymore, so I'll probably have to buy a whole new condenser kit and harvest the line. Other than that, she runs like a well-oiled machine. So we got a lot of good projects coming up. I'm excited about them. New wheels, maybe a whole new look, new color scheme. Really capture the essence of driving a Miata. Maybe throw a little more power at it and hopefully get it on a track. And I think it's going to be fun. I think you're going to enjoy it. So join the faction, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.